Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
I'm really into mobile apps, and I install numerous helpful apps on my smartphone, such as Weather Forecast, Recorder, and Camera 360. However, Reminder is the most useful one and at the top of my list. The first time I used it was last month after I missed a job interview. I forgot it and let such an important opportunity slip out of my fingers. So I immediately downloaded it, as it can be a real lifesaver in some situations. Reminder is a very simple to-do list application that focuses on simplicity. It lets me create tasks and set reminders to remind me to complete them. I like this app very much because not only does it allow me to keep track of what I do in my day-to-day by establishing a timetable, it also prioritizes the more important things. I feel satisfied with this app as it improves my time management skills and turns me into a punctual person. Thanks to it, I've never missed a deadline since using it.